It is hot out there. We do see some clouds around, but it's 91 degrees at the moment at Ali International Airport, 89 at Bowman Field. Our heat index values, though, are in the lower 90s, and we'll see those continue to climb as well. So it's going to be pretty humid. Dew point sitting at 66 degrees. Once you get into the middle and upper 60s and especially into the 70s, that's when you really start to feel that heat. Our high temperatures over the past week, the last 5 days have all been in the 90s. Today will be our 6th day in a row in the 90s. Coolest day of the last 7 came on Saturday when we only had 89 degrees and our average high is 87. So that's actually close to normal for us. We are entering what is the climatologically hottest time of the year for us, but it is still unseasonably hot. One thing that would help would be more expansive cloud cover. We are starting to see a cloud field develop right now, and if they continue to grow, then maybe that would block out the sun, help keep our temperatures in check a little bit, and give you some temporary relief from the heat in the form of some shade. But what we really need is rain, and unfortunately, that's just not really in the forecast, at least not in abundance. For this afternoon, we'll see our temperatures climb into the lower and middle 90s across the area. Heat index values, so what it feels like to us, will be as high as 100 degrees. As we wake up tomorrow morning, by 8:30, already seeing our temperatures in the upper 70s to the low 80s. You can even see that heat island effect here on our map, with temperatures in Louisville running 3 to 4 degrees warmer than our outlying areas. For tomorrow afternoon, we'll be close to record highs. Record high on Saturday is 100 degrees. I'm going with about 97, 98. And although it does spit out a couple of isolated showers, I expect us to stay dry for Saturday. The best chance of rain that we have for this weekend would be coming on Sunday, when we could see a few spotty showers blow through our area from north to south in the early morning hours. But then most of the afternoon will be staying dry for us. However, we could get a couple of isolated pop-up downpours to develop in the afternoon, which would bring us some significant relief from the heat, which is of course what we really need. And waking up on Monday morning, it's still pretty muggy for us, but a cold front will be moving through, which will help to keep our temperatures down just a tad, but still fairly muggy there in the lower 70s. And as Eric was talking about, that large heat dome is still parked on top of us, but it will gradually push to the west as we head through this weekend and into the start of next week. And as we see that chance, very slight chance for rain arrive on Sunday and continue into Monday, that should help reduce our temperatures just a tad. But still very hot for us today, again at near record highs, lower to middle 90s, especially here in the metro with mostly sunny skies. And looking at the 7-day forecast, no real relief from the heat showing up. Back into the upper 90s near 100 degrees on Tuesday. We do drop, though, on Wednesday to around 90 degrees. That's because of another cold front that'll be pushing through. And that's also our best chance of rain here in the extended forecast, with a 40% chance there to see some showers and storms. On Thursday, we could actually dip below 90 and be in the upper 80s, which would be more normal for us, but we'd be right back into the low 90s starting next Friday. So no relief showing up really for some time.